Hello guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn free Tron daily from this Tron cloud mining platform. I'll show you guys how you can make a deposit, how you can withdraw from the platform, and how you can get your link to share with your friends and family to earn more commission or more Tron for free on the platform. Okay, so this is my account. As you can see, I already have this much. Okay, so Tron cloud mining is an online Tron mining platform which helps you mine 5% of your total Tron balance on the platform. Okay, so how do I get started? How do you get started? I mean, in the description of this video, you'll see a link. Okay, you'll be able to see a link. Okay, that's a link in the description of this video, a registration link. Once you use the link to register, you get 200 Tron for free. Okay, which you can use to start mining on the platform. However, to activate the mining session on the platform, you need to make a deposit on the platform. Once you make a deposit, the mining process, that was the mining part of the platform, starts automatically, and you'll be able to claim your mined Tron every 24 hours on the platform. I'll also be showing you guys how to make the claim. So that's the first way you can earn from this platform. That's from the mining section or session of the platform. Then you can also mine from referrals. Okay, that's by you can also earn free Tron from referrals. That's by sharing your link to friends and family. I'll also be telling you about that in this video. Okay, so first thing first, let me show you guys how you can recharge after you've signed up to activate the mining session on the platform, and you can recharge any amount you can risk losing. Okay, you can recharge as low as 1 Tron on this platform to get the mining started. Okay, so how do you recharge? To recharge or to deposit, what you have to do, you click on where it says deposit, as you can see here. Once you click on deposit, it will bring you to a page like this. So on this page, all you have to do is you copy this address. Okay, after copying the address, then you open up either your Trust wallet or your Binance or any of your crypto wallet that has Tron on it, and you send Tron to the wallet address. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be sending about 300 Trons to the platform. Okay, so how do we do that? After pasting the link, I'll click put in 300. I'll click on continue. Okay, so we'll wait for it to load, then I'll confirm the transaction. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's pending, and I've successfully sent 300 Trons to the platform. So all you have to do after sending it, then you come back to the platform and you click on where it says recharge complete, then click on recharge complete. So and you just wait for it to reflect on your balance. As you can see, I already made a deposit of about 100 Trons before the platform. So now I'm depositing another 300 Tron, so I should have a total of about 400 Trons. Okay, so it's not reflected yet, so let's just give it some time to reflect. As you can see guys, my deposit just came through, and I now have 400 Trons on my balance. That's my total Tron deposit quantity is now 400 Trons. Okay, so that's basically how you recharge on the platform. It's very fast and it's very easy. So once you make the recharge, the mining session will start automatically on the platform, and you can claim it every 24 hours by going to where it says trading. As you can see, so this is trading. To claim your mined Tron, all you have to do is click on receive. Okay, so once you click on receive, your mined Tron will be added to your total balance automatically. Okay, so now I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw from the platform. To withdraw, all you have to do is you go to where it says withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, it will bring you to a page like this. Okay, so as you can see right now, I can withdraw from either my basic account or from my promotion account. Okay, so I've already made several videos about the platform, and I've always made a withdrawal from my promotion account, but for the purpose of this video I'll be withdrawing from both my basic account and my promotion account. Okay, so first thing first, I'll first be withdrawing from my promotion from my basic account. Okay, so your basic account is basically the account where you receive funds from mining, from deposits, and from sign up bonuses. That's once you share your link and people sign up with your link, you get free Tron on your basic account. While your promotion account, there's only one way you get Tron into your promotion account, and it's from deposit rewards. That it's in form of deposit rewards. Once you refer someone, and once someone signs up with your link, okay, you get and then make a deposit, you get a percentage of that deposit, and that goes into your promotion account. So that's how you enter on your promotion account. Okay, so right now, as you can see, my daily withdrawal limit on my basic account is about 12 trons right now. Okay, it's about 12 trons, and this is because of the total deposit I've made on the platform. You can only withdraw 3% of your total deposit on the platform every 24 hours. So since I have about 400 trons deposit, 3% of 400 is 12. Okay, so that's why I will be restricted to withdrawing only 12 trons daily from my basic account. That's every 24 hours. Okay, so while from my promotion account, withdraw from my promotion account is unlimited. Okay, so I'll start by making a withdrawal from my basic account. So I'll be, since my daily withdrawal limit is 12, okay, so I'll put in 12 here. Okay, then I'll put in my security password. So after making a withdrawal from my basic account, so I'll need to wait 24 hours before I can withdraw from my promotion account. Okay, so after making the withdrawal, now I'll wait 24 hours before I finish the video, so that you guys will be able to see proof that you can withdraw from both your basic account and your promotion account. So once you put in your security password for withdrawal, okay, which usually set up when registering on the platform, then you click on confirm. As you can see, withdrawal successful. So we can now open up our Trust wallet to see if it came through. As you can see, we already have 16,221. So if 12 came through, it's supposed to be 16,233 right now. So let's refresh and see. So as you can see, 12 trons just came through. As you can see, plus 12 trons, and my balance has increased. Okay, so that's basically how you withdraw from a basic account. So let's wait 24 hours before I'll show you guys how to withdraw from a promotion account, because if I try right now, it will tell me that withdrawal failed because I've not waited 24 hours before placing the withdrawal. Okay, so but let's try. So as you can see, that's what I'm talking about, because it's not been 24 hours yet, so I cannot make a withdrawal. I need to wait 24 hours before placing a withdrawal on my promotion account. Okay, so I'll see you guys in 24 hours when I finish the video, so stay tuned. So guys, it's been 24 hours, and now I'll be able to withdraw from my promotion account. So I'll show you live withdrawal from my promotion account before, and I'll show you guys how you can share your link to earn more TRX into your promotion account. Okay, so I already explained how you earn free TRX into your basic account, now on the promotion account. So how do you earn free TRX into your promotion account? You earn TRX into your promotion account when you refer. Okay, so what happens is, after you've referred and your that people have signed up with your link, either level 1, level 2, your level 3 referral, whenever they make a deposit to activate the mining session of the platform, you get a percentage of their deposit. You get 15% from level 1, 10% from level 2, and 5% of level 3's deposit on the platform. Okay, so to withdraw from this from your promotion account is basically the same thing as when you want to withdraw from your basic account. Okay, after choosing promotion account here, you put in the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so I'm withdrawing this amount right now from the account. Okay, so this is my wallet address, that's where I'm withdrawing to. But before that, let me check. Let's see how much Tron I already have, so that after withdrawal we'll be able to see the total. Okay, so right now I have about 16,233 Trons. Okay, so after withdrawing this, it's supposed to increase. Okay, so after putting in the amount, you put in the password. So after putting in this, the withdraw, that's the fund security password, you click on confirm. Okay, as you can see, it says withdrawal successful. Okay, so let's go check our trust wallet if the withdrawal came through, because once you withdraw from the Tron cloud mining platform, it takes less than 5 minutes for it to reflect on your wallet. Okay, so let's refresh. Let's refresh. Okay, as you can see, the transfer just came through. As you can see, I received 1,656 Trons. Now I have a total of about 17,889 Trons. Okay, so this is proof enough that the Tron cloud mining platform still pays. Okay, so if you've not guessed, if you have not started using this, this is the best time you can join and start earning free Tron daily on the platform. So how do you earn Tron into your promotion account? I already said by referring. Okay, so now how do you refer? How do you get people to sign up with your link? Okay, so what you need to do is, once you've signed up and you've gotten your 200 Trons for free by using my link, and you've made a deposit and you've started earning, to earn more on the platform, what you need to do is share your referral link and get more people to sign up with your link. To do that, you go to where it says share. Okay, so once you go to where it says share, you'll be able to say your referral code. Okay, this is your invitation code here. All you have to do is you copy this and you share it to your friends and family on WhatsApp, Facebook, your Twitter, Telegram, and other social media platforms. Or you can even create groups and explain to them how they can earn from this platform. Add them to the group, show them proofs of earning, show them videos, show them how much you've been earning so far, and I bet you'll be able to get people to sign up. So there are three referral levels on this platform. We have the level 1 referral, level 2 referral, and level 3 referral. Level 1 referral are those people, are your direct referrals, the ones that use your link directly. Level 2 are those referrals that use level 1's link to sign up. Level 3 use the level 2's link to sign up, and you earn from all three levels. You earn sign up bonuses from them, and you also get the deposit rewards from them. All sign up bonuses go to your basic account, while all deposit rewards go to your promotion account. You get sign up bonuses when they sign up, and get deposit rewards once they make a deposit to activate the mining session. Okay, so I think this brings us to the end of this video. If you've not started any with Tron cloud mining platform yet, you can do that. Just go to the description of this video. You'll be able to see the sign up link or the registration link. You click on it, you sign up, and you get free 200 TRX for doing so. All you have to do after that is make a deposit, start mining, and claiming your free Tron. That's your mine Tron every 24 hours, and you'll be able to withdraw every 24 hours. And you can also share your link with your friends to earn more. So if you love this video, if you love what I did in this video, please hit the like button. And if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notification, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, YouTube will notify you guys immediately. And you can also feel free to join my Telegram channel, where you'll be able to receive more updates on videos like this, on platforms like this, and on ways for you to earn free cryptocurrency online and airdrops. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.